Hey, watch this launch. It's kind of bright out here. What's up, YouTube? Brushfire Builds. Gonna show you the 12RK once again. Not a lot of people saw the last video. You guys didn't watch it. I'm gonna hopefully just make this a basic one. Hopefully, we grab some more attention on this one. But here it is. The 2025 Ember 12RK. Off-grid package. Travel trailer. It's work from nut to butt, right? From front to back. Yeah, military guys, you understand that, right? So you got dual propane tanks right here. Access. I'm not a huge fan on that, but it's a cover. Spare tire helps with weighting. It's got a deep cycle battery for the 12-volt system. I'm going to be swapping that out to, actually, oddly enough, my Battleborn. I just need to get a new box because this one's too big. So anyway, back to it. So it comes with the mount up here for the jack. I had them put this one on. Probably spent too much money. I also had them add a couple extra jacks, which they work. I mean, this thing will probably stay attached to the truck most of the time. So using those might not be as much as I thought I would need. But at least I have them if I feel like making them more stable when we're camping. To the side here, solar hookup. Obviously 110, 125 hookup. Lighting. It is already set up to have side view cameras and a backup camera. So that I thought was pretty cool. On the side, I did get the 2 doors. I opted in for both sides. That's locked. So I'm not going to be showing you from this side, am I? It's a little roof rack. Got the fan. Dual 200-watt solars. Here's the heater. And this is the water heater, I do believe. I might have them backwards. I had them backwards in the last video too. Water hookup. Water adding, More jacks on the sides, on the back. This is getting ready to get installed. It's going to be right up here. I might move the racks forward so I can sit up right in front of this door. This is for, toiletry and whatnot. So that way, the old fiance, she can have a little poop spot. And me. Pardon the mess. It's, Back around. Now we're on this side. It's got lighting on each side. I'll show you that here in a little bit. These mounts right here, these are for the 180 awning, which I don't know if I'll be able to put out. Well, I'm not going to put it out. You can imagine. It's got some little like 29, 31s, whatever they are. I'd like to get them bigger. I'd like to get this thing up higher, to be honest with you, because the draw pitch I have to use fairly high, or fairly low, whatever you want to call it. All right, back down to the tires. Well, that's already coming off. It does have the torsion bar suspension, so it gets, they say, about 4 inches of flex. It does have step bars, or steps on the side. These are capable of holding up to like 300 pounds. Thank God. 110s, plugs, gas hookup. Got the window. Let's take you inside. So here's the interior. Need to plug the light in, or plug the power on. Wouldn't you guys like to actually see in here? There we go. I added a TV since the last time you saw the video. I'm going to reset that, but nice thing about this little TV, it swivels. It's actually not a TV, it's more of a monitor. But hey, it works. Down in here, if you can see, it's kind of hard, but you got a tank heater, your main power, and then this is the tire link, just so you can see your PSI on the tires. I don't even have it on my own truck, so yeah. CO2, power, and then that's my fuse panel. Storage right here, nice little middle storage, long. Got my spare energy. More storage up here. We're gonna start using these bags, maybe some other stuff. Little lizard. It came with that. More storage up there. Light set over there. So you got the whites. You also have a fan with 1 speed. It works. I'm not the biggest fan of this style of fan. I would rather have the bigger one that's got like 4 speeds. So, light switch panel. There's for your main home lights. This is yellow ambers. And then each side has its own exterior light. I said spare door, or other door. Heater. Plenty of power. More storage up top. The heater controls are over there. Storage down below. We were shoving the dogs in here, so it's kind of funny. Fire extinguisher comes with the model. Of course, your fire, whatever. So not bad interior. I mean, nice thing is, I'm 6'3". Look at that. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. I'm not even touching. And I'm definitely not touching down here. I got plenty. We have the dogs, the fiance in here. It's still plenty of room. All right. I guess that's the interior. Really nothing else to show there. At least not yet. We're going to doing some more add-ons and whatnot. Oh, one cool thing, real quick. So with these doors, you got these little closers for the screen door. Screen door is nice. These are like hold opens. Keeps it nice and tight. Well, that already fell through. Gonna have to fix that. The stickums didn't hold anymore. That's cheap. Guess what? Got a warranty. And in the back, this is one of the coolest parts about this thing. I said, please mind the mess. So, you'll have to see my butt for a second. Sorry. Grab both. Lift her on up. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Got lights. Main lights. It's got ambers. Got your heater controls for your water heater here. See how much fresh water I got left. USB 110, 12 volt, 110. I added this guy in here. It's pretty cool. It's just a magnet. You got your sink. So the cool thing about the sink is, put the power on. There you go. Hasn't been used in a few weeks. Go and pull. Leaks out, right? Oh no, I gotta defill my gray tank. Wrong. Pull this little guy here. Gray tank emptied. So that's pretty cool. Look, it's Arizona. The water will dry in plenty of time, okay? Don't worry about it though. It's gonna dry. 5 minutes, it's gone. And then you got this little guy here. Gonna be kind of hard to show you. Let me see. 2 tabs, one here, one here. Push down on them. Boom. That show up a little flat. Doesn't work too bad. Hey, it cooks.
But it's good.
Yeah, it works. It's good.
Better than trying to cook on a...
And the hose comes down, hooks up. What, I get a little spot on there? So your hose comes down, hookups right there. And bada bing, bada boom, you're cooking. And then to close it, you just push these things down again. Boom, put away. Storage, I'm gonna get something to cover this because this is gonna end up all over, especially when off-roading. Because, you know, that's what this trailer was made for, so it's what we're gonna do. I got toilet paper. Cool thing about this too is you can swap. You can swap over to a hose. So I do have the hose for it. Just a quick disconnect. So nothing too crazy. It's cool. You know, the Ember, it's a cool setup. I sure do like it. And talking about it, there it is. It's a reverse camera we can add on. It's got hitch. I think also like 300 pound, 500 pound hitch, something like that. Don't forget to pick up your decals, by the way. I'll leave a link in the description. So yeah, hope you guys like this quick little video, quick little tidbit of the Ember 12RK. We're liking it so far. It camps very nicely. It pulls even better. It's a nice setup. Very, very nice, very easy. Very light. It's about 1,300 pounds. Dry. Everything added in is about 1,900, which for the Sequoia pulls very nicely. The Sequoia's with 35s and whatnot, it's not super happy with trailers, but it does pretty good. Speaking of Sequoia, look at her. She's looking good. I will say, if you guys do have a spare tire, like me, you gotta add on one of these guys, which I'm probably just gonna have, or either have it or do it myself, weld this thing in. That way it's not super, super loose. Look at the Sequoia though, the old first gen. Looking good. You guys still like her, right? Still a dream of yours? You want one? I'll sell it to you. Looking for a Land Cruiser. Nah, I love this truck. And there's the daily. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching Brushfire Builds today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think about the 12RK. Let me know what you think about the Sequoia. Let me know what you think about anything. I want to hear from you. Come on, let's speak, let's talk. I message back on pretty much every message, except for the ones on some of my shorts, because oddly enough, some of them have gotten a little bigger than I thought they would. So don't forget to check out Brushfire Builds, guys. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching. Check out our sponsors. Check out Desert Off-Road Solutions. And the biggest sponsor of the channel. The largest. I can't express how much these guys do for me. R3 Auto Works. You're going to get all your off-road needs. You're going to get all of your classic car needs. Your normal cars, your Hondas, your Civics, you know, your Toyotas, you name it. He can find it. They're out in Allert, Tennessee, but he'll ship to you. Check him out on Instagram. He's working on the website. Don't forget to check out Dubby. Use code SOA. Get you 10% off. And don't forget to check out Moose Knuckle. So easy. So much easier than these. Even though they sell these, so much easier. Anyways, I think I'll probably end the video here. I've done enough ranting. Later, guys. Wait a minute. One last thing. Don't forget to get out there. Remember, you're worth it. You're worth it every single day. It's helped me going out. Get yourself out there. It'll change your life, trust me. The outdoors changes everyone's life. Sometimes for good, sometimes for bad. Anyway, get out there. Later!